if you're like Emir ka ng Qatar or ikaw yung Crown Prince ng Saudi
Yeah.
Arabia or you're the President of UAE, hindi ba dapat parang in a bigger perspective ano, tanggalin muna natin na Amerika, you know that your
Mm.
oil is very precious for the entire world. Like, 'di ba? Yan ang ano mo eh, crown jewel. Don't you even thought about na parang ikaw mismo, 'di ba? Magkaroon ka ng like yung ano yung missile defense system na ikaw ang gagastos kasi if ever ito kasi alam naman natin religiously di naman sila okay ng ipaksyon-paksyon yan sa kanilang religion. Have they even thought about na sila mismo dumepensa sa kanilang mga, you know, sa mga sa mga ring major target ng country nila like yung desalination plants, oil refinery, ports. 'Di ba po, para sa akin I'm just being fair kasi understand
Yeah.
America, pino-front nila yung sarili nila as the global police. Wouldn't be also fair para sabihin naman ang yaman na ng GCC countries for them to even defend themselves once in a while, 'di ba?
Agree.
Security. Yun na nga prof, eh,